Before we get into this video, CHP of Truckee has something to let all the truck drivers know today. Basically, there's a winter storm and chain control is enforced. Check 511 for updates.
Hey guys, CHP Truckee. I just wanted to give you some friendly advice during this winter storm. If you're driving a truck or a car and you tell us that it's all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive and you don't have any chains in your vehicle, just don't wait until you're blocking the road to put your chains on. Usually we like to wait until you're in the most safe position for everybody to do that. You guys be safe.
Oh, it better be a big hole.
That never gets old.
Yeah.
What's going on, Mutha Truckers? Welcome to Mutha Trucker News. Email us on muthatruckernews@gmail.com. Thank you for following the show. We try to give you things in real time as they happen. All the truck drivers out there sending us emails all the time, just keeping us updated so that we can share this information with all the other truck drivers out there. So anybody that's getting a load right now to Kroger out in the Bledsoe Road in Hickory Hill neighborhood of Memphis, you will not be able to pick up or deliver. You know, there was a situation that happened that closed down the whole DC and they're waiting for further notice. Hopefully by the end of today, things will be right on track again. But as far as that goes, since Thursday night, hundreds of truck drivers have been waiting to unload because they can't do anything.
Evening, the only thing these truck drivers carrying precious Kroger cargo can do is patiently wait.
We just sit and wait until our dispatch tells us whether we could take this load and drop it somewhere else, or just, until they decide to open, I guess.
This message goes out to 2,170 Kroger truck drivers as well. And so the situation in hand, man allegedly responsible for stabbing his coworker to death at a Kroger distribution center on Thursday has been identified. Anderson Todd, 55, was taken into custody and charged with second-degree murder following the deadly incident. Reports say the call came in just before 9 a.m. after Jacoby Hobson, 38, was found in the warehouse suffering from multiple stab wounds to his chest, leg, and arm. A witness on the scene told police he heard the two involved in a loud argument before stabbing. One of Hobson's family members told the news channel two men were in a dispute over a football game. Out of all things, football. Witnesses claim Hobson approached Todd and invited him to an area of the warehouse that didn't have cameras that the two could fight. But Todd allegedly refused. Hobson then pulled Todd's skull cap over his face, covering his eyes, and the argument became physical. When a witness attempted to break up the fight, Hobson backed away and collapsed onto the floor, having been stabbed multiple times. Reports say Todd then walked into the break room and waited for police to arrive. This is a statement from Kroger here that says, quote, "We are deeply saddened by the loss of an associate and tragic incident that occurred at the Memphis distribution center. We have been in contact with the associate's family and offer our condolences to all impacted by this tragic loss. Counseling services for our associate at distribution centers have been initiated. Todd's bond has not been set. He is scheduled to appear in court on Monday morning." So, my truckers, just letting you guys know, if there's a broker out there that wants to give you a load out to this Kroger out in Memphis, I would say do not take that load. You know, thank you to all the drivers that emailed me, let me know that they were stuck. If there are updates to this and you guys are able to load or unload, let me know so we can update. But as of now, it looks like every driver that's coming in, they're not able to do anything. They're just waiting on the sidelines. So, Mutha Truckers, comment down below.